If you'll be wanting to join the next cohort of our GRC program, applications are officially opened. However, here are a few updates. For those who applied for the first week, which we have rolled out application, we've admitted over 20 plus candidates and we've sent out emails. So please, if you have not gotten your email, check your spam box, check your promotion. You either get the email from admission@inegben.xyz or you get a personal email from me. One of the two you would definitely see in your e-box if you're admitted. Now, we also denied a couple of people admissions, and I will give you the reasons why we denied these admissions. One is that you either provided an invalid LinkedIn URL. So why is that a reason to deny your admission? In as much as we want to admit you and you're willing to pay your $100 commitment fee, we also want to know your background. We want to know what you are doing. We want to know if you are the kind of person or the kind of student we want in the academy. So you either give us your number without the country code, so it means when we add you on our cell, we can't actually reach out to you on WhatsApp because we are communicating via email and WhatsApp. The third thing is you didn't give a reason for wanting to join the cohort. So we consider if you have no reason, then there's no reason bringing you into the academy so that you don't affect those who really know what they want. And the final reason is either your names are not correlating in terms of either you just typed into characters per column, as it were. It could be a typo error, right? So regarding all of these errors, we plan on sending out emails to those who we denied admission, and we'll tell them why we denied them admission. So on or before Friday this new week, you should get that email. If you are planning on applying to the cohort 3, please do well to avoid this error. Provide a valid email address, provide a valid number with your country code, provide a valid LinkedIn URL, provide a valid reason why you want to take the program. These are just the few updates we wanted to let you know that would affect applications. Applications are open for cohort 3 and you can proceed to continue applying. We try as much as possible to screen and get back to you within 24 to 48 hours, excluding weekends. So on weekends, responses might be slow, but during the weekdays, within 24 to 48 hours, your application is screened and you are either provided with an admission, or your application is denied due to any of the factors I just mentioned. So keep applying and hopefully we'll see you soon on June 27th.